To create a report in LaTeX, it's not necessary to start from scratch. Instead, you can work from a template, which is a more efficient and quicker way to produce a high-quality report. To do this, start by searching for report templates and browse through the various options to find one that suits your needs. You can open and view each template as a PDF to determine which one is the best fit. Once you've selected a template, you can open it in an editor and make changes to suit your requirements. If you're not familiar with LaTeX editors, you can switch to a visual editor, which makes it easier to modify the report. To make changes, simply look for the text you want to modify, such as the university name, and update it accordingly. You can also change images by clicking on the existing image, deleting it, and uploading a new one. Alternatively, you can insert a new image by clicking on the main document, selecting Insert Figure, and uploading your image from your computer. After making changes, click Recompile to update the report. This process allows you to create and edit a report in LaTeX without prior experience, making it a convenient and user-friendly option.